eyes closed. Try to watch your breathing. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. When you inhale, try to charge your body with all the positive energies. And exhale with a deep relax to the body. Now gently prepare your body and the mind for the Yogasana practice. Let us start the sessions with 3 deep breaths. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Feel the beautiful changes during the inhalation and the exhalation. Now gently open your eyes. Namaste, welcome you all for the class. Let us come back to the sitting squat position. Try to keep your both the heels inwards and keep the feet outside. Place your palms in the center of the heart. Try to keep looking up. Try to start raising the spine upwards and maintain them. Hold back. Make sure that your tailbone is facing down so you can open the hips slightly more wider. Yes. Try not to leave the hips up. Hips must be facing towards the ground. Inhale, stretch your hands all the way up. Exhale. Start lifting the hips up a little bit more. Keep extending the shoulders forward, looking up and maintain them. Hips lower a little bit more, not above the knees. Yes. Inhale, stretch your hands all the way up. Keep opening the shoulders back. Exhale, start bringing the body forward. Keep extending the shoulders out. Getting the hips lower, little bit more, sitting up. Higher, little bit more up. Yes, little bit more. Yes. Exhale, sitting lower. Try to raise your hands all the way up. Open the shoulders back. Exhale, one more time. Try to lift up the hips up. Try to keep the hips parallel to the ground. Make sure that your hips shouldn't be higher, more than your knees. So try to keep extending your body forward, looking up and maintain there. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Twist your hands to the right side. Keep opening the shoulders back to the right side. Yes, open the shoulders back to the right side and maintain. Hold back. 1. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, center. Exhale, switch. Go to the left side. Keep opening the shoulders back and maintain the hold back. 1, lift up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Sit down and sit. Stop the hand is there. Now from here, try to start moving the hands up and down. Movement. 1. Open the shoulders back. 2. Step back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax it. Now from here, try to lift the heels up. Try to keep lifting the heels up. Keep touching the heels up high. Try to sit on the heels. Try to keep touching the heels close to the buttocks. Lift up the body up a bit more and maintain the knees facing upwards. Keep the heels high to up. Exhale, try to twist your body to the right side. Keep opening the shoulders back. Now once you put the body right side, try to put the right palms down. Inhale, lift the hips up, arch your back. Try to go towards the wild thing pose. Stretch your hands up. Exhale, down. Come back to the sitting position. Hips must be high. Keep opening both the hands up. Exhale, twist your body towards the opposite. Go towards the left side. Keep opening the shoulders. Try to place your left palms down. Inhale, lift the hips up high and maintain the hold back. 1, 2, higher, hips high. 3, more, 5. Exhale, down. Come back to the sitting position. Heels up, raise both the hands up. Keep opening the hips up. Now once again, try to twist your body to the right side. Keep your right palms down, but keep it behind. Don't keep it so close. Keep the right palms more back. Yes. And now lift the hips up high. It will be easier. 2. Stretch up more higher. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Change. Go to the other side. Twist the body towards the opposite direction. Twist the body. Try to lift the hips up high. Yes. Maintain that hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Keep the hips down. Try to put the palms front of the feet and bend one down. Touching the head down. Yes. Inhale. One more time. Come back to the sitting spot. Raise your both the hands up. Hands up. Yes. Exhale. Place your palms down. Start bending the body forward. Touching the head close to the knees. Inhale. One more time. Sitting spot. Raise your both the hands up. Keep looking up between your both the palms. Exhale. Place your palms down, start coming back to standing positions and maintain that. Inhale, last round, come back to the sitting spot, maintain that hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bend the body forward. Keep pushing the head down, try to lower the head. 1, stay down. 2, some more. 3, keep breathing. 4, hold back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Left leg behind, go back to the plank. Keep looking forward, joining both the feet together. Try to keep looking forward, lift up the shoulders up a little bit more and maintain them. Now from here, inhale, try to keep the right leg up, higher, straighter. Keep the body parallel to the ground, keep the body in the plank position, hold up and maintain. Extend your feet out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hips getting lower, a little bit more, yes. Looking forward, hold. 1. Body must be in the plank, not like downward dog. Yeah, hold back. 1. Get the weight on the hands. 2. Engage your core. 3. Head up. 4. Somewhere it down. Push your leg. Look to the other side. Inhale. Keep lifting the legs up and maintain them. 4. First go to the plank and then yes. Keep the legs high. Head up. 2. Stay there. 3. Body weight should be on the hands. 3. Little bit more front. Hips down. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Little hips down. 9. 10. Keep together. Chaturanga. Allow the heart to be down. Inhale. Upward facing dog. Keep opening the chest up. Rotate the shoulder back. This is the rising pose right. Hold back. Push back. Try to start pushing the hips lower. Bend backwards. Do a deep stretch towards the back. Exhale. Downwards facing dog. Start pushing the hips backwards. Keep touching the head close to the mat. Press your shoulders down. Find the stability in your back. Keep stretching the shoulders down. Lower and maintain that. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right leg all the way up to the ceiling. High. Stretch and go. Try to bring the right knees close to the right elbows. Look forward. Yes. Behind you. Yeah. Inhale, stretch your legs back. High. Exhale, one more time to the right elbows. Inhale, one more time, stretch the legs back. Exhale, step the foot between your both the palms, come back to the high lunge. Keep opening the shoulders back and maintain that. Hold back. 1. Open the shoulders. 2. Some more. 3. Keep breathing. 4. Exhale. 5. Place your palms back to the mat. Take your legs behind. Go back to 3 legs downward dog. Stretch the legs back. High. Stretch your core. Exhale. Try to bring your right knees to the left elbows. Inhale. Stretch your legs all the way up high. Exhale. Left elbows. Inhale. Stretch your legs all the way up. Exhale. Left elbows. Inhale up. Exhale. Left elbows and maintain that. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up higher. Step your foot between your both the palms now. Try to keep it here. Okay. And try to take your both the hands behind. Go back to the high lunge. Bend back. Take your both the hands behind. Start bending the body backwards. Keep breathing. High lunge. Yes. Lower the hips. Thighs must be up to the knees line. Fold back. Bend backwards. Drop the head back. 1. Stretch back. 2. Some more. 3. Lower the hips. 4. 5. 6. 7. Outwards and start bringing the head close to the mat. And keep stretching your hands up. Hold the mat. 1. Yeah. 2. 3. 4. 5. Good. 6. 7. Knees bent. 8. 9. 10. Put your palms down. Take your legs behind. Go back to the plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Keep opening the chest up. Rotate the shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. maintain it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Palms down to the mat. Let's begin. Go back to the plank. Let's do that. Inhale, upward facing dog. Keep opening the chest up. Rotate the shoulders back. Exhale, downwards facing dog. Start pushing the hips backwards. Keep pushing the head down. Try to lower the head. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Press your shoulders down. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in. Take your right leg all the way up. One more time. Stretch up more higher. Step the right foot next to the right palms. Bring the hips forward. Put it outside. Out of the palms. Yes. Keep breathing. Start the toes in. Keep the knees off the mat. Start bouncing the hips up and down movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open the right hand up to the ceiling. Keep opening the right hand upwards. Knees off the mat. Hold and maintain. Lower the hips. 1. Knees up. 2. Some more. 3. Keep breathing. 4. A little bit more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Palms down. Right. Take your left hand front of your face. Stretch your hands forward. Open the shoulders back. Maintain that. So just front. Looking forward. 1, 2. Left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Palms down. Change your hands. Go stay there. 2. Hips higher. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Both hands front. 10. Hold back. 1. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Palms down. Now start taking your right hand inside of the legs. And let's go for the lizard pose, flying lizard pose. So try to bend the legs like this and start taking the legs up higher and maintain. Flying lizard. Yeah, just like this. See? Flying lizard. Hold. 1. Stay there. 2. Some more. 3. More higher. 4. 5. Maybe 6. 7. 8. 9. Okay, 10. Let's begin. Go back to the plank. Chaturanga. Allow the body to be lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Keep opening the chest up. Rotate the shoulders back. Exhale, downwards facing dog. Press the shoulders down. Try to keep pushing the head close to the mat. Pedal the feet. Up and down movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left leg all the way up higher to the ceiling. Step the left foot next to the left palms outside. Keep looking forward. Start bouncing the hips. Up and down movement. Up and down movement. Inhale and exhale. 1. Dynamic. 2, 3, 4, 5. Fast, fast. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right, left hands up to the ceiling. Keep opening the shoulders up and maintain. Hips higher. 1. A little bit more. 2. Some more. 3. Keep breathing. 4. More up. 5. Some more. 8, 9, 10. Put your palms down and take your right hand in front of you. Keep looking forward. Hold and maintain. 1, 2. Right hand behind. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hips higher. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Place your palms down. Switch your hands. Go to the other side. Hold back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Both hands forward. Hold back and maintain. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Option number 1, go for the lizard pose. Option number 2, go for the flying lizard. Okay. So lizard pose, both elbows down. Flying lizard, you will take your hands outside and go to the flying lizard. Hold back. 1, 2. Listen. You must sing the golden sound. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lower the head. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Take your right leg all the way up higher to the ceiling. Now, once again, try to bring the right foot next to the right palms. Try to squeeze your hands inside and let's go for the Kaundinya Asanas 2. Okay, says Kaundinya 2. Just, they have again options. They can just go here, is fine. No need to stretch your legs up. Okay, just try to get the body weight and maintain that. होते हैं. Okay? Inhale, upward facing dog. Keep opening the chest up, rotate the shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Start pushing the hips backwards. Keep touching the head close to the mat. Press your shoulders down. Bring your heels close to the mat. Start pressing the shoulders down. Micro bend the knees. Press your shoulders a little bit more deeper. Touching the head close to the mat. Inhale, take your left leg all the way up high. Stretch up more. Keep breathing higher, higher, higher. More. Down and up. Step the left foot next to the left palms. Yes. Keep looking forward. Okay. Now try to squeeze your hands in and let's go for the Kodinyasanas. 2. Shoulders up. Shoulders must be parallel. Your hips should be higher. Let it fall. Reach up over the action. Stretching. Every feet must be out of the body, not close to the body, away from the body better. Yes. Hold on. Almost there. Yes. Yes. This ankle must always support you inside. Not back. Yeah. Try. Simple one. Just put here and try to fly. This side is slightly more challenging. Before the bend. Inhale, upward facing dog. Keep opening the chest up, rotate the shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Start pressing the shoulders down. Keep touching the head. Your right leg between your both the palms. Left leg between your both the palms. Bend the body forward. Keep touching the head close to the knees. Start stretching the body lower. Feel the beautiful stretch. Do the deep stretch towards the hamstrings and the calf muscles. Inhale and exhale. Allow the body to roll over. Keep going down. Exhale. More deeper. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep touching. Go lower. A little bit more. Inhale. Raise your both the hands up. Keep stretching your hands all the way up. Exhale. Bend the body backwards. Drop your head back. Do the deep stretch towards the back muscles. Open the chest. Keep pushing forward. A little bit more. And maintain that. Hold. 1. Push back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your right leg back. Take your left leg back. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right leg front. Left leg front. Bend the body back. Bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward. Left leg behind. Right leg behind. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Left foot front. Right foot front. Bend backward. Bend forward. Right leg back. Left leg back. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Right leg front. Left leg front. Bend backward. Bend forward. Left leg back. Right leg back. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Left leg front. Right leg front. Bend backward. Bend forward. Bend backward. Touching the head close to the knees. Start stretching the body down. Start extending the body down. It is not important to touch your head close to the knees. It is more important to extend your body down. Deeper the stretch. Lower. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretch the body down. Keep feeling the beautiful stretch. Hold back, start going down. Deeper the stretch. Lower the body. Extend the body. Take your time to open the hamstrings and the calf muscles. Hold. 1, 2. Touch, touch, touch. 3. Keep breathing. 4, 5. Try to keep the knee straight if there is no lower. Keep touching. Go down. Deepen the stretch. Start extending the body down. Some more. Lower. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Lower the body. Almost there to touch. Parent. Now place the palms below your foot. Place the palms below your feet. Start extending the spine forward. Keep looking front. Start extending the body. Do a deep stretch to the back muscles. Breathe in. Arch your upper back as well. So this has to be flat enough. Stretch the body. This must be flat. So try to start extending hold. Maintain, start stretching, little bit more, hold back. Yes, stretch out more. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. Very nice, stretch back, little bit more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from here, try to take both the hands front of you. Let us go for the tabletop position. Extend your both the hands forward. Hold back, little bit more. Open the chest. Looking forward. 3. Shoulders out. 4. Looking forward. 5. So press the shoulders. Pressing muscles. Yes. 6. More. 7. Single leg move forward. 8. 9. Right leg behind. Go to the right leg 3. Right leg back. Straight back. Hold back. 1. Engage. 2. Some more. 3. 4. Extend your body. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Bring the right leg front to the chest. Keep looking forward. Hold back. Now from here, micro bend the left knee. Start across your feet and let us go for the eagle back leg. Okay? Bind the eagle. So opposite hand should be at the top. Like suppose right knee is at the top, so left hand should come in up and maintain. Hold back. Looking forward. Hold. 1. Yes. 2. Connection opposite. 3. Hands. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Sitting lower. 9. Little bit more. 10. Put your both the palms on the ground without opening the legs. Just stay there. Touching the hands. And the body slightly forward. Yes. Bend your right foot. Stretch your legs up high. Stretch it. Keep pulling the right leg up. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. 1. Same hand maybe. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Relax, bend the knees, and place it behind you. Hold it. Okay, keep looking forward, bring the hands to the namaste. Come back to sitting spot, sit down. Sitting lower, yes. Sit down fully. Yes, hold it. Maintain that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the palms down, put the standing forward triangles. Keep your both legs out. Standing forward, both legs out. Head down. Standing forward. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep breathing. Go down, deeper the stretch. This time, try to place your palms below your heels. So take the hands behind, place your palms below the heels. Let the elbow facing forward. Yes. Start extending the body. Then again keep looking up. Don't look down. Start extending the body forward. Very good. Very nice. Stretch back. Hold. 1. Keep looking forward. 2. Stretch back. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10, up, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now come back, take your both hands front. Once again, go back to the tabletop position. Keep looking forward. Extend your body. Breathe out. Keep opening the shoulders up. Extend your body. Extend your back. Spine straight. Stretch. Hold on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg behind. Stretch the left leg. Look forward. Right leg 3. Keep breathing. Maintain it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left leg coming close to the chest. Hold back. Breathe in, breathe out. Micro bend the right knee. Try to cross the legs out. Go for the eagle pose. Gangasa. Keep the right leg on the top. Hold it. 1. Stay there. 2. Some more. 3. Keep breathing. 4. Cross the ankle. 5. 6. Technically, this pose is very easy if your thighs are slim. You can do something because the thighs are slim. So yeah. 8, 9, 10. Bend the body forward. Keep the hands down. Bend the body lower. Hold the weight. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. 1. Bend. 2, 3. Higher. Up to the chest line. 4. Your body should not lean forward. In this pose, your chest must be always pushing upwards and feet must be square so they support your waist here. 8, 9, 10. Bend the knees. Start to place the palms back of the feet here. Keep looking forward. Now put the hands up to the namaste. Go to the sitting spot position and maintain it. 4. Breathe in, breathe out. 4. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Now take the legs behind. We'll go back to the chaturanga. the body up. Exhale down. Inhale one more time up high. Start lifting the hips up. Legs up. 1. Stretch back. 2. Some more. 3. Keep breathing. 4. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Down. Okay. Bend your knees. Try to bend your foot. Pull your legs all the way up. Go to the bow pose. Bow pose. Yes. Somebody want to try the full? If you want to try the full, go for the full. Otherwise, just go for the simple. Inhale, lift the hips up high. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. More. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can use a lot, there's a lot of pressure on the chest and the arm. So try with the one first. Let's see how your back responds accordingly. You go for it. Okay? Lift up higher. 1, 2, 3, you can round 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, down 10. One more time. Inhale up. Higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More up. 6. Higher. 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Come back. Okay. Level with the face up. Okay, so bend your both the knees. And bring the hips close to the buttocks. Okay? Okay. Place both the palms over the head. Okay? Palms beside the ear. Let the palm facing towards the shoulder joint. Okay? Don't let the palms like place out of the shoulder. It must be following the shoulder line. That is the exact distance between both the palms. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Push up and go back. All the way up. High.
Go back.
High. Lift up. 2, 3, 4. Bend the knees a bit more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Okay. One more time. Place your palms. Yeah. Over the shoulders. Yeah. Inhale. Lift the hips up. Bend the knees. Start lifting the body up. More high. High. Shoulders up. 1, 2, 3. If you are confident, you can bring the right leg up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. 9, 10. Down. Go down. Oh gosh. Last round. Yeah. Go to the wheel. Okay. So heavy. Pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can lift the left leg up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,